Hello parents, I am Mrs. Nutan Zamsandekar. I am part of robotics teaching team at RSEMS Global.
I am Flight Lieutenant Manoj Zamsandekar, Founder Director at Curious Mind, and I am also teaching robotics at RSEMS Global. And it gives me immense pleasure to bring this online robotics exhibition for year 2024-25.
Throughout this year, 4th standard students have made many robots like windmill, fan, merry-go-round, which taught them how to use gears for changing the motion or changing the speed of the robot. They have also made robots like swing, seesaw, which use oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is used in various industrial robots. This year's robotics exhibition theme is amusement park. Students have made many amusement park rides. These robots make use of the concepts stated earlier.
5th standard students have also learned oscillatory motion and usage of gear to achieve speed manipulation and torque manipulation. They have also made 2 degree of freedom robots such as F1 car, RoboCat and crane. The theme for the robotics exhibition for 5th standard this year is gym equipment. They have used all their learnings to make these robots.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritik. These are my friends, Avnish and Ashlok. Have you seen a merry-go-round in children's park? We had made a different version of merry-go-round. This is a slanted merry-go-round. The seats are slanted. Not only the seats are slanted, they rotate individually. Hello everyone, I am Kiran and he is my friend Arj. Today we have made this Columbus ride found in amusement park. This uses oscillatory motion.
We achieve oscillatory motion by creating and rotating. Point is called as earth point. The point moves push-pull rod back and forth. Another bar attached to push-pull rod moves in oscillatory fashion to which the boat is attached.
Hello everyone, my name is Rupesh. These are my friends, Harshvardhan and Om.
We have made giant wheels that you have seen in many fairs and amusement parks. We have made a tall giant wheel by connecting 2 end plates, one on another. We have mounted big to make the giant wheel move little faster. We have mounted big gear on the motor, which rotates the middle gear, which rotates the giant wheel assembly.
We have connected the seats in such a way that they always stay upright. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello everyone. Myself, Devara and Satvik have made this puppy coming out of kennel.
This robot makes use of circular to linear motion conversion. We have achieved this motion by providing a guide to the push-pull rod. The push-pull rod is moved by the earth point created on the gear. Good morning everyone. Myself Shreya Shirish Basudde. My name is Anupriya Satish Patil. And my name is Sanskriti Shuraj Purgalkar.
Today our robot name is vertical merry-go-round.
And our theme is amusement park.
We have used L plates, C plates, gears, etc.
And now, as our merry-go-round start moving, the chairs also start moving. And do you know the main part in this? The main part is DC motor. And do you know why it is moving fast?
Because big gear is on the motor and small gear is on the merry-go-round.
Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Ryan. He is Shrishay, he is Shriyansh and he is Aditya. You have been to any amusement park. You may have seen many big and tall rides. There, we have made this rainbow ride. It is the one of the giant rides in the amusement park.
These rides need to move slow, so we have used combination of big gear and small gear.
The smaller gear on the motor moves the bigger gear attached on the assembly. Thus, the rotating it almost 5 times slower. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pranesh and my team members are Divaks, Adhivik and Adhiraj. We have made a push-up man as a part of robotics exhibition. The robot uses linear motion obtained from circular motion to imitate the action of man doing push-ups.
We use off-center rotational point and pull-push rods for linear motion. We use Kiosk kit to make this robot. We use DC motors and big gears along with structural parts.
Hello friends, my name is Pragnesh Saval. These are my friends Sanvi, Aditya and Radesha.
We have made this weight track robot. It is used in gyms to lift heavy weights. This robot uses oscillatory motion along with pulley to change the direction of motion.
Smallest and biggest gears combination is used to lift the heavy weight.
Hello everyone. My name is Digar. These are my friends Ayush, Sridula and Anand.
This is bench press equipment used in gyms. We have made this using Curious Spark robotic kit.
This robot uses oscillatory motion obtained using gears and DC motors.
To increase the lifting capacity, we have used a combination of small gear and big gear.
Hello everyone, my name is Dipanshu and these are my friends Veer, Siddhik and Aditya.
We made this robot doing pull-up. In pull-up, we use the body weight to strengthen our arms.
This robot uses the conversion of circular motion to linear motion in its operation.
To lift the maximum weight, we have used the largest and the smallest gear.
Hello, my name is Anvesh and my friends Slok, Veena, Viva have made an man using dumbbells as a part of robot exhibition.
Our robot uses oscillatory motion obtained from circular motion of DC motor. We see oscillatory motion in many machines. In our day-to-day life, some examples are seesaw, etc.
Even 70% of industrial robots use oscillatory motion. The oscillatory motion is the most important part of robots in industrial areas.